pronounce that name. I'm just the nut here. Swiss Engadiner Nusstorte. It's a popular souvenir for tourists. The dough starts with flour and 2/3 cup of butter. Cut a 1/3 cup from 2 sticks. It's the easy way. Look, no algebra. You're so adorable. Add in 1/2 cup of sugar and a dash of kosher salt. Pulse it a few times. Then it flew away. It was dramatic and very sparkly. Just like that. We did get some power though. And now we have a meringue major war commander dessert general glitter king?
Correct. Rank major meringue. Specialty whipped combat and tactical whimsy.
Add in the zest of a lemon. Careful not to go down to the white part, because that's bitter. Crack an egg. 2 teaspoons of rum or rum extract. If it falls apart in your hand, add in the juice from your lemon. Don't add water. Water will make your dough sag in the oven. Wrap it in cling wrap and let it take a nappy poo in the refrigerator for 30 minutes.
Left, right, whip, fold, whip, no lumpy work, I see everything.
I feel dizzy but powerful. If y'all are done turning dessert into drill practice, I got cosmic waffles going stale in here. This is the tricky-dicky part. On low heat, melt a cup of sugar until it turns into a liquid caramel. It takes a seriously long time, but you can't turn up the heat to rush things, because you could easily burn the sugar. So you stare at it until something happens. There! See on the edge? It's starting to liquefy. Now you have to stir out all those lumps you made.
Cadets,
Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
we march toward destiny and remember the creed. We do not deflate. Forward, left, toward the magic bottle of eternity.
Whisk in 1 cup of warm, heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of kirsch. We reduced cherry juice and froze it just for these types of occasions. Mix in 2 3/4 cups of walnuts and set this aside to cool while we roll out the crust. Forward, left, that way. Oops. Whoa, wait a minute. I don't know. I should have stayed in gravy school. Ooh, honey, this mist is thicker than a glitter milkshake. Oops, sorry about that, Coconutta. Roll it out gradually and really thin. Give it a 1/4 turn every once in a while to help you keep it even. Just to check. Yep, large enough. We use the mat to help roll it around the rolling pin. Work it down into the corner. If you push it, the dough will get thin in that spot and probably tear. Press it into the side with your fingers. Our pan is perforated, which helps the crust come out a lot crispier. Who's got style? I've got style. We'll spin a closet for a while. Yeah. Ooh, do. Do the same with the top dough. Moisten the edge with some water. Use the mat to work it on down into the filling. We like this rolling pin trick a lot. The fork is a common decoration for the rim. Brush it with the yolk mixed with a tablespoon of milk and bake for 40 minutes. We put a cookie sheet in there because the pan has a removable bottom and it'll catch anything that seeps out. Sugar, you look like a firework married a disco planet and have fashion babies. Baby, my bottle burped up my wardrobe like bloop kapoof. Sparkle avalanche. 1,000 years trapped. Closet still fierce. Let it come all the way to room temperature. Actually, it's even better the next day. All the flavors have had time to mingle and get to meld and love each other. I love snow. When I'm inside and it's all nice and cozy. We all learned to make snowflakes in grade school, right? Just perfect for this occasion. Come on, switch over to the big one and make a snowstorm. There you go. Woo! That is beautiful, just beautiful. Oh my cosmic cupcake! So that rumbling earlier wasn't danger? It was you? Closet hiccuping, dimension, glitter,